Kia ora, malo, talofa. My name's Salvador Brown. I am the son of a video filmmaker and the child of a Pacific sister. So I have had a camera in one hand and a putatara in the other. So big acknowledgements to all my whānau and everyone. Yeah.
How important do you reckon it is to be showcasing, the moana artists and the lived experiences?
This is an interesting question. I talk to my community a lot about this question, actually.
Yeah.
I don't like to kind of take things upon myself. It's a community. We come from a people of community, and it's really important. So I asked a lot of my friends and families their opinion on this question. And kind of like some of the ideas I'm looking at and looking through tava and the way we navigate ourselves through this time and space. And one of them is that we don't walk forwards into our future, we walk backwards into our future.
Wow.
Our past, to learn and to be able to develop our future. Because if you're looking forward, there's nothing out there, that's still yet to be created. But we're looking backwards, we learn from that. So in answering that question, it's we come from a people of orators. It wasn't necessarily a written language. Our language was written in our skin, it was written in our tapa, it was carved into wood, it was kind of told through sound.
That's so amazing. So what and who inspires you?
Some of the work I'm looking at the moment, we're talking about our digital moana. And for me, if we're calling something a moana, we have to bring everything over with it. We can't just say moana. How did we used to navigate the moana? We used to use our tohu, our different signs and stuff like that. So what's a digital tohu? What's that in this realm, in this space? Glitches, your computer overheating, fanning out, crashing, making digital tohu. My mum, Rosanna Raymond, she's an amazing artist. She does some and she's also, I work with her quite a lot, so it's kind of good to have someone to bounce off, and whānau. And of course, my wahine, she's my muse.
That's so cute. You need the good people around you to hold you up.
Yeah, exactly.